Seeing our name in lights would mean a lot to me. I would feel really excited, really happy.
How would I describe the group Kiishea? I would say we're special, dynamic, and unique.
We got together in primary school. We just started from there, we just clicked, and it's always been like that ever since.
Well, how I feel about my daughter and her best friend being in the competition, I'm very much happy, I'm very much elated.
Jamaica is going to fall in love with the girls because they're talented, they're determined, and they have a little spunk. They have the whole package of being a star.
What would be the biggest challenge? A lot of persons think that, oh, it's too tough, guys, so it's supposed to be easier every performance, but it's kind of hard because when it's one person, you know, you can't just get to practice your song, practice your part, but it's two. We have to work at our harmonies each week. We have to make sure that our voices, each of our voices, fit the song that we choose, and that each of us are basically ready to perform and give it 100.
First time I entered was in 2016. I wasn't ready, honestly. I lacked a lot of confidence. I wasn't sure, but we decided to enter this year together because I think that we're great together and that we're stronger and we can perform even better.
These girls don't only have a good chance, they have a great chance. They have strong personality and character.
I'm Kendra.
And I'm Shay.
And we are
Kiishea. And we will be
your next
Digicel Rising Star. Let's go!
Hey.